Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you authentic Bengali style pumpkin leaves chutney. Pumpkin leaves have lot of vitamin C, A, iron and calcium, good for kidney and our digestive system. For preparing pumpkin leaves chutney, I took 10 to 12 soft pumpkin leaves. Soak pumpkin leaves in water for minimum 10 minutes and add a spoonful of flour. Pumpkin leaves have some dust and impurities. Flour helps to remove dust and impurities. Rinse it again and drain the water. Fold all the pumpkin leaves like this and shred. Cut into small size. After cutting, put all the shredded pumpkin leaves in a mixture blender jar. Add some coconut pieces, 10 to 12 coconut pieces, little water and blend into smooth paste. Prepare 2 onion for later use. Chop into small pieces. Knead with hand. Prepare 2 dried red chili cut into small pieces. In hot oil, add dried red chili, saute and then add chopped onion. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the color of the onion is little pinkish. Then add the paste of pumpkin leaves. Add salt according to your taste. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Stir occasionally. At last add some chopped onion. I put 1 chopped onion. Don't mix, turn off the flame and cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix it well. Our pumpkin leaf chutney is ready for serving. It's a Bengali authentic dish served with steamed rice. If you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.